Saving money is a critical component of financial stability, yet it can be difficult to consistently put money aside each month. However, with some strategic planning and a few simple tips and tricks, it's possible to save more money each month without sacrificing your lifestyle. In this article, we'll cover 15 savings hacks that will help you save more money every month. 1. Track your spending. One of the best ways to save money is to first understand where your money is going. Start by tracking your spending for a month or two to get a clear picture of your expenses. You can use a budgeting app or simply write down your expenses in a notebook. Once you know where your money is going, you can start to identify areas where you can cut back. 2. Set a savings goal. Setting a savings goal is a great way to motivate yourself to save more money each month. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, a vacation, or simply building up your emergency fund, having a specific goal in mind can help you stay on track. Determine how much you need to save each month to reach your goal and make that a priority. 3. Create a budget. Creating a budget is one of the most effective ways to save more money each month. Start by identifying your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and car payments, and your variable expenses, such as groceries, entertainment, and clothing. Then, determine how much you can realistically allocate to each category. Stick to your budget as closely as possible to avoid overspending. 4. Automate your savings. Automating your savings is a simple but effective way to save more money each month. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This will ensure that you're putting money aside consistently without having to think about it. 5. Cut back on subscription services. Subscription services can add up quickly, so consider cutting back on them to save more money each month. Evaluate the services you're currently subscribed to and determine which ones you can do without. For example, if you're not using your gym membership or streaming service, cancel it and put that money towards your savings. 6. Shop smart. When it comes to shopping, there are several ways to save money. Start by creating a shopping list and sticking to it to avoid impulse purchases. Look for deals and coupons before making a purchase, and consider buying in bulk to save money over time. Additionally, consider shopping at thrift stores or consignment shops for clothing and other items. 7. Use cashback apps. Cashback apps can help you save money each time you make a purchase. These apps offer cashback rewards for shopping at certain stores or buying certain products. Look for cashback apps that align with your shopping habits and use them consistently to maximize your savings. 8. Reduce your energy usage. Reducing your energy usage is not only good for the environment, but it can also help you save money each month. Consider using energy-efficient light bulbs, turning off lights and electronics when not in use, and adjusting your thermostat to save on heating and cooling costs. 9. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive, so consider cooking at home more often to save money. Plan your meals in advance, buy groceries in bulk, and look for deals and coupons to save even more money. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have more control over the ingredients in your food. 10. Sell items you don't need. Consider selling items you no longer need is a great way to make some extra money and declutter your home. Consider selling items on online marketplaces like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist. You can also sell items at a garage sale or consignment shop. 11. Use public transportation. Using public transportation instead of driving can help you save money on gas, car maintenance, and parking fees. If you live in a city with a good public transportation system, consider using it instead of driving your car. 12. Negotiate bills. Negotiating bills is a great way to save money each month. Contact your service providers, such as cable or internet providers, and ask if they have any promotions or discounts available. You can also negotiate your bills by threatening to cancel your service. 13. Use a high-yield savings account. Using a high-yield savings account can help you earn more interest on your savings each month. Look for a savings account with a high interest rate and no monthly fees. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your high-yield savings account each month to maximize your savings. 14. Take advantage of credit card rewards. Using credit card rewards can help you save money on purchases you would make anyway. Look for credit cards with rewards programs that align with your spending habits. For example, if you frequently travel, look for a credit card with travel rewards. 15. Start a side hustle. Starting a side hustle can help you earn extra money each month. Consider starting a freelance business, selling items online, or offering services like pet sitting or tutoring. Use the extra money to boost your savings. Conclusion. Saving money is not always easy, but with some strategic planning and these 15 savings hacks, you can save more money each month without sacrificing your lifestyle. Start by tracking your spending, setting a savings goal, and creating a budget. Automate your savings, cut back on subscription services, and shop smart. Reduce your energy usage, cook at home, and sell items you don't need. Use public transportation, negotiate bills, and take advantage of credit card rewards. Finally, consider starting a side hustle to boost your savings even more.